WaxMelters Filler Troubleshooting Guide. Filler dispenses slowly, unevenly, and/or filler drips from the nozzle. Make sure the unit is not on an extension cord or power strip. Make sure it is on a dedicated line without other appliances on it. Make sure that the filler temperature setting is 10 to 15 degrees higher than the melting tank. Make sure the ball valve is closed during the preheating period. Make sure the filler, not the melter, is preheated 1 hour if empty and up to 2 hours if it is full. Make sure the green outlet on the digital temperature control comes on. If it does not, then the temperature needs to be set. If the filler pours fine at the beginning but starts dripping, leaking, or pouring unevenly later, then the melter temperature needs to be raised and/or the filler temperature needs to be 10 to 15 degrees higher. Try removing the melter's lid or opening a little to allow air to flow inside. If using pre-melted material, first make sure the ball valve is closed between the melter and filling system before adding the pre-melted material. If using pre-melted material, either the melter should be set 5 to 10 degrees higher than the temperature of the pre-melted material, or have your pre-melted material at 5 to 10 degrees below required melt temperature and allow the melter to heat the final 5 to 10 degrees before dispensing. Otherwise, the melter will believe it's already at temperature and not heat. This will cause the material to begin cooling down in the melter. Using pre-melted material in the melting tank can also introduce air into the system. If, after adding pre-melted material, pouring is slow, the trapped air will need to be released from the system. To release the air, turn the pump power button on 3 or 4 times, allowing a few seconds rest between each. You may also have to turn the pump power button on and off for a longer duration, possibly up to several minutes. This should allow some material to backflow into the melter and release any trapped air bubbles from the system. If you need additional assistance, please contact us at 1-888-WaxMelters extension 2 or email support@waxmelters.com.